Hi, my name is Dee, and I'm an ordinary person just like you. I just got tired of being on the hamster wheel doing the same thing over and over. So I decided to step outside of my comfort zone and start building a business online. And I'm going to show you how to get started. Now, I just created some videos, steps 1 through 5, that teaches you exactly what you need to do to get started. So make sure you check those out. Also, I'm going to show you, because I've had comments saying that people cannot click on my link in my bio. Number one, I hate saying that because sometimes TikTok can be really kind of snickety when it comes to certain words. Especially if you reach out to me, if you are trying to reach out to me and get a message to me, if you are not following me and I'm not following you back, number one, we can't communicate. And number two, I have to be very, very careful with words that I use. So the best thing to do is go over to my bio, and I'm going to show you what that looks like at the end of the video. And I want you to enter your name and your email and then click the link below, and you can book a strategy call. Let me show you what that looks like. And let me remind you, sometimes TikTok takes my link out of my bio. So if it's not there, guys, just comment in one of my videos that it's not there. As you can see, my link wasn't there, so I'm going to add it back, but I'm going to make it look a little different. I just put my link back in. As you can see, it is right here. This time I made it a little different. Here's my new link. Hopefully TikTok will not remove it, but if you would like to book a strategy call, it's this button right here in the middle. Guys, this is a call that you can book to see if affiliate marketing is right for you. There is no pressure. You get a free video. Once you click that link, you have to enter your name and your email address, and then you're going to click Let Me In. Here's where you're going to watch the free training, and around minute 2, there's going to be a link that pops up that you can book a strategy call, and don't forget to save this video.